In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Trip.com. Let's start from a clean slate. Open your preferred web browser and search for Trip.com. In the results, look for the official Trip.com website. It should show the Trip.com domain and a secure padlock in the address bar. Skip any suspicious lookalikes, and if you see ads at the top, scroll to the organic result to be safe. Click the correct link to land on the homepage. If a region, language, or currency prompt appears, just confirm what suits you. It won't affect the registration process. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and select Sign In/Register. On some layouts, it may appear as a small profile icon. Clicking it reveals the same option. This opens a panel or page where you can create your account. Don't worry, registration is quick, and you can choose the method that suits you best. You have two main paths. First, you can register with an email address or a mobile number. Type in your email or phone, then create a strong password you'll remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Before continuing, glance over any prompts about terms or privacy so you know what you're agreeing to. When you submit, Trip.com will send a one-time verification code to the email inbox or phone number you provided. The second path is to use a quick link option like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Click the provider you prefer, sign in to that service if asked, and confirm the permissions to share basic account information. This links your Trip.com profile to that account, so you won't need a separate Trip.com password. Some regions may still ask you to verify an email or phone for added security. If you're verifying with a code, keep your email or messages app open. Keep the registration page open while you wait so you don't lose your place. Codes usually arrive within seconds, expire quickly, and must be entered exactly as shown. If nothing arrives, check spam or junk. Make sure your number or address is correct, and request a new code rather than reusing an old one. Never share verification codes with anyone. After the code is accepted, or after you complete the quick link sign-in, you're all set. You should now be signed in to your new Trip.com account. You may see a welcome prompt, your account icon at the top right, or options to manage bookings. That's confirmation that registration worked. And that's it. You've successfully registered on Trip.com. From here, you can explore the site at your own pace, knowing your account is ready whenever you want to search, save, and book.